Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to get your Trust Wallet USDT BEP20 address. First, open your Trust Wallet app on your mobile device. Look for the Manage Crypto icon, often represented by two small circles or a filter symbol, in the top right corner of your main screen. Tapping this icon will take you to the page where you can manage your cryptocurrency visibility. Make sure your app is updated for the best experience. Once on the Manage Crypto page, use the search bar to type in USD. You will likely see several Tether options. It is crucial to find and select Tether USD BEP20 or USD BNB Smart Chain to ensure you are on the correct network. If the toggle switch next to it is off, tap it to enable the token, making it visible in your wallet. After enabling the USD BEP20 token, go back to your main wallet screen. You should now see Tether USD BEP20 listed. Tap on this token, then select the Receive button. This action will display your unique BEP20 wallet address and a QR code. Carefully copy this address to your clipboard. This is the address you will use to receive USD on the Binance Smart Chain. If you cannot find USD BEP20 by searching, you might need to add it as a custom token. On the Manage Crypto page, tap the plus icon, then choose BNB Smart Chain as the network. You will need to paste the correct USD BEP20 contract address, which you can find on reliable sources like BSC Scan. Always verify the address to avoid errors. Also, remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.